What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the llano aluminum cage for your action camera, specifically for the Ace 360 and the Ace 360 Ace Pro 2. Okay, so with that being said, we are going to get into it. Now, as you can see, I have a case for this one already, but the difference between this one and this one is that this one is quick connect. All right, well, quick access. This one is not so much quick access. You have to turn the knob here and all of that stuff. I mean, it's a little time consuming, but you know, it is what it is. Let me know how y'all still love y'all Insta360. I still use mine for like bird content, bird feeding content, and stuff like that. So I still use my action camera. Not that much, but I use my action camera. We have llano. The brand is right there. Now, I have reviewed llano batteries as well. I'll link that in the description, while this one will be linked in the description. But I just wanted to check this out. And you guys, look at that. Easy access. Don't have to worry about losing this. You know, I actually misplaced this. Oh, give me this. So I misplaced this before, and I was like, never again. Okay, so I misplaced it. I found it. Now I will probably put that up for sale, and probably on Marketplace or something, and that will be it with that one. I probably won't use that one again. But quick, easy access, you guys. Look at that. I like this. All right, so we put our camera in. This is very durable, and they're nice and easy. Boom. All right, and then you have access for your mic, so you can put your mic on. Mic is on right there. You put your quick connect on. Quick connect is on. All right, and then you have the ability to do vertical. All right, because you got a 1/4-inch hole right there, or 1/4-inch thread, not hole, but y'all know what I mean. Another reason why I am getting rid of my old cage is because of quick access to the battery. When I'm doing my recordings and stuff like that, I want to just go ahead and just throw another battery in. I don't want to have to take the cage off and all of that good stuff. So here you go. There's a red little button right here. Move it over, lift it up, and easy access to the battery. You guys, this is probably the best cage to get for your Insta360. Look at that. I can leave my light on top or microphone on top. I don't have to take nothing off, you guys. With this cage right here, you have to take everything off just to do that part right there, okay? The battery part is the big one for me. All right, put your new battery in, close it up, and again, you can do vertical, horizontal, light, and then microphone, or microphone here, but you still have access to your microphone jack right there. Power button right there. You guys, I love this case. Nice, durable, okay? Again, awesome brand. They make cool stuff for your Insta Ace 360, Ace Pro, Ace Pro 2, and all of that good stuff. So go ahead, link in the description, check them out, and that will be all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.